Welcome to Graduate Online Classes, Class 7 English. This my canvas chapter 10. Rest of the chapter, the continuation of the topic, the story collector. Previously, we have discussed that Skanda started writing the story on the wall, and the story is impressed by Mole, one of the painter, and his wife. Then after they learned many, and it was more interesting. Then many people were influenced to read the story and how their story reading is going on. Let's continue. Mole and his wife were not the only ones following the story. The novelty of the words that didn't move and the boy who collected story attracted tens and then hundreds of people to the tunnel. उस टनल एरिया में पहले मोल उसकी पत्नी को स्टोरी पढ़े, उसके बाद और भी लोगों को ज़्यादा पढ़ने की इच्छा हुआ, स्टोरी पढ़ने की बहुत इच्छा हुआ. Then the 10 people they like to read the story. Then after many people, one by one, they are coming towards the wall and going to read the story, and became the hundred of people to the tunnel. Hundred of people. Some came to read the story from the very beginning, while others came to catch up on what had been added. Very beginning is starting. Story is शुरू से जाके पढ़ रहे हैं. Means people were fully engaged to read stories. To read the story is very interesting, very exciting, and many people gathered. And after many people new thing added, then they came and they like to read the story. Okay, just like Mole, there are other people who copied the story down to show their family and friends. Copy the story. Story को copy किए, नकल किए, and they try to tell their friends, to their family, to their neighbor, etc. It was very interesting. That means Skanda became famous for writing story, or many people they came to read the story in the wall of this area, that place named the Metrodome. Okay. By the time Skanda's story had extended into the fifth tunnel number 1 to tunnel number 2 to fifth tunnel, पांचवा tunnel में पीछे चले गया. So everywhere, whoever come to this area, Metrodome, they like to read the story. Yeah, 7 written volumes of his stories. How many volumes he wrote? 7 written volumes. 7 volume story लिखना शुरू कर दिया. Of his story were circulating about the city and being updated every day. Updated means new story began. So people have more enthusiasm, more interest to read the story, as no one knew who the creator of these words was. Yeah, in that city, nobody knew reading books, writing, etc. It was a mystery. They puzzled, they surprised that who knew this writing the words. He came to be known as the storyteller. And with the storyteller, Skanda. Skanda was the storyteller. It was not long before news of the story collector, reached Metro Hall. कहाँ पहुँच गया? मेट्रो हॉल को पहुँच गया. मेट्रोडोम टू मेट्रो हॉल, क्योंकि उस एरिया का जो इंचार्ज के पास चले गया. द पॉलिटिकल सेंटर ऑफ मेट्रोडोम जो एरिया का जो पॉलिटिकल सेंटर है, मेट्रो हॉल में चले गया. राजनीति यहाँ आ गया. देखिए, आफ्टर मच टॉसिंग मूविंग बैक एंड फोर्थ. Moving backward means आमने सामने. Yeah, after moving back and forth, the matter finally landed in the work plot of the city commissioner. City commissioner के पास चले गए. Yes, the The land what when the matter finally landed in the work court of the city commissioner. City commissioner पास complain किया क्या बोल के? He teleconned the head of tunnel security for an assessment. He teleconned कौन है? Head of the tunnel security. Tunnel security telecom उसने जाके कंप्लेन किया क्या है? That Skanda, the story writer, against. Let's see. It's by the story collector, Mr. Commissioner. Commissioner is the head of the police department. It's all stationary, sir. Doesn't move or anything. It's about this boy who can make words. यहाँ पे एक लड़का है जो कि शब्द बनाता है. And he goes looking for a story. Then writes story on the walls. He told complaint to Mr. Commissioner. Then what happened? Yes. But what exactly is the problem? Okay, अगर ऐसे लिखता है तो problem तुम्हारा क्या है? Snapped. The commissioner means boss to commissioner. Commissioner भी थोड़ा भड़क के बोला. Problem? Why? There is no problem. Just a lot of people coming in and reading the story and enjoying. Yes. Who told? Problem. Yes. What problem? Yeah, there. Why? There is no problem. कोई problem नहीं है. Just a lot of people coming and reading the story and enjoying. बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं और they are enjoying. Then what is the problem? Now, once the complaint went, arrest anyone caught making words in the tunnels. Yeah, they requested Mr. Commissioner that ऐसे लोगों को जो टनल में लिख रहे हैं उसको गिरफ्तार करो. Arrest anyone caught making words in the tunnels, shot them up for life. जीवन के लिए उनको मुंह बंद कर दिया जाए. And repaint the tunnel. जो कितना घटिया वॉल्स अभी गंदा दिख रहा है उसको फिर से पेंटिंग करके क्लीन किया जाए. But sir, now the commissioner told, the commissioner has spoken. This is the order of commissioner. Yeah. And he banged the telecom down. He hit the telecom down. मतलब उसको नीचे भगा दिए. Feeling very proud of himself. Yeah, Mr. Commissioner, told that if this is the case, then you do all these things. The order of Mr. Commissioner. Then see, Skanda was arrested the following morning as he left the tunnel. बेचारा Skanda जेल चले गया. Though it was the oddest arrest you ever saw. Oddest arrest means very odd. He was not innocent. Just दीवार में लिख रहा था. उसके लिए सजा हो गया, जेल हो गया. All the men of tunnel security were very keen followers of the story. जितने security में थे उन लोग भी means very interested. Yes, all the men of tunnel security were very keen followers of story. मतलब story को पूरा security में जितना थे उस एरिया में सब story को पसंद करते थे and were thrilled. Thrilled means feared. To finally met the real story collector face to face. Yes, they saw the Skanda, the storyteller they saw, and they met that Skanda was given the best sell in the block, complete with a supply of lead so that he could write on the walls whenever he had like that. Skanda को सुविधा दिया गया था क्या? उनको अच्छा घर भी दिया गया था और also given some lead means pencil लिखने के लिए or to write something on the wall. He was a bit confused about what was happening. Yes, Skanda also confused what was happening in his life, and it was difficult to stay awake during the day. Yes. Now, as people treated Skanda like that, what they treated, it was a bit confused about what was happening. क्या हो रहा है उसको भी confused था. And it was difficult to stay awake during that day. और उस दिन उठना भी उसके लिए बहुत ही कठिनाई था. Meanwhile, news that the story collector had been arrested. Yes, Now खबर चला कि स्कांडा को जेल लिया गया। Those who admired, those who liked the story of Skanda, they knew all the things and what were their reaction. Let's discuss here. News that the story collector had been arrested swept through the city like fire. पूरा आग जैसे चारों तरफ फैल गया कि स्कांडा को जेल भेजा गया। फिर Why would anyone want to arrest the story collector? पूछी मार उसका गलती क्या है? सिर्फ अच्छा दीवार में लिखता था उसी के लिए सजा। There was no crime in writing stories that everyone enjoyed. सब स्टोरी को लिखने पढ़ने में जो मजा आता था तो कोई गुनाह नहीं है। All the city people they objected. There was a lot of grumbling and muttering that spread through Metrodome. Grumbling and muttering. Yes, and lots of noise. Yes, muttering means the sounds. Yes, chillana, grumbling. Yes, lots of noise. They produce in this Metrodome. Metrodome also Sarabahua. Then what happened? The next day, the commissioner was about to settle into his first nap of the morning. दूसरे दिन सिर्फ एक ही दिन हुआ है. The next day, the commissioner was about to settle into his first nap of the morning. Morning सुबह में थोड़ा झपकी मार रहे हैं, थोड़ा सो रहे हैं. When the door of his office suddenly flew open, अपने घर का दरवाजा खुल गया. Staring down at him, उसके जो देखा झांक के देखा कौन? This commissioner was the supreme head of the grand ministry. Supreme head of the grand ministry. सर्वोच्च जो अधिकारी है, मिनिस्ट्री का सब टॉप लेवल का मिनिस्टर है. And he was looking particularly sour. और वो ही खट्टा दिख रहा था. क्या? I suppose you have been too busy to have a look outside your window. He talked. I suppose means he told. Yes, you have been too busy. तुम बहुत ही व्यस्त दिख रहे हो. To have a look outside your window. विंडो के बाहर से. Yes, तुम बहुत ही व्यस्त लग रहे हो. The commissioner peered outside from the 40th floor of commissioner ऊपर से था उसका 40वां बिल्डिंग के ऊपर से और वो झांक रहा है. चेहरा उतर गया. देखिए क्या हुआ. The commissioner peered means looked briefly outside from the 40th floor of the towering metro hall. Yes, metro hall के ऊपर से. Yes, he saw. Let's see. Then what happened? And nearly swallowed his tongue. Nearly swallowed his tongue means अपना मुंह बंद हो गया. Swallow मतलब अंदर चले गया ना. Means he had no voice to speak. क्योंकि जेल भेजने वाला कौन है? Mr. Commissioner. Okay. Metrodome looked empty. क्योंकि Metrodome स्ट्राइक चल रहा है. लोग उसको हड़ताल कर रहे हैं कि इतना अच्छा लिखने वाला स्टोरी लिखने वाला स्कांडा भी जेल गया है. That's why they are very eager to know why. There was almost no one in the streets. पूरे शहर के लोग कोई शहर में रास्ते में भी नहीं है. The bus stops, everything is crowdless, and in any of the shops or in any of the offices, even the houses, were a deserted look. Yes, everywhere deserted look means no people. That means they are on strike. Let's see. मैं इतना ही वो हल्ला हो गया. Miss Skanda story writing influenced the city so deeply that everyone in the hunger strike. Let's see. Is it plague? Are they all died? Asked the commissioner. क्या plague is the disease means nobody can found. Plague ऐसा बीमारी है जो कि सब मर जाते हैं. और is there any more? No more. Oh no, they are fine. In fact, they are striking in front of the tunnels. वो लोग सब चले गए छोड़ के टनल के पास स्ट्राइक के लिए. All the city members they have people they have gone to the strike area or tunnel area. Let's see why, what for. Now commissioner talking to this head of the supreme grand ministry. Okay, because you arrested the story collector, you idiot. क्योंकि तुम वैसे बेचारा कुछ गलती नहीं किया था, उसको तुम जाके अरेस्ट कर दिए. सुप्रीम हेड ऑफ the metro, the grand ministry. Okay, he spoke to the higher rank police Mr. Commissioner. Okay, but shut up. He's talking the roaring voice over the supreme choir. Do you have any idea how much this strike is costing the city? पूरा शहर में जो स्ट्राइक किए हैं उसका खर्चा कितना मालूम है? Do you know its cost? Yes sir, I mean. So what are you going to do about it, Mr. Commissioner? तो तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? He swallowed hard. Swallowed hard means मुश्किल में सांस ले पाया. I am going to release the story collector. पहले तो story collector को छोड़ना and I will cancel the order to repaint the tunnels. Tunnels को जो पेंटिंग करने के लिए मैं भिड़ा हूँ उसको भी कैंसिल कर दूँगा. And Supreme had asked, yes, and I will submit my resignation. Now that's the best idea you have had your entire career. वो एक रास्ता है तुम्हारे लिए. And I shall mention it at your farewell party. Yes, I will read these three things in your farewell party. Okay? It's the best idea. Farewell party मैं ही बोलूँगा. That's up to you. The supreme head disappeared. Supreme head इस तरह से बोल के चल दिया. Yes students, Skanda was sitting in his private cell. अभी स्कांडा जेल में जो है अभी क्या उसके साथ हो रहा है देखते हैं. Staring blankly at his head supply, lead supply. Staring blankly means without any space at his lead supply. Yes. There were a million different thoughts. उसके विचार हजार लाखों आ रहे हैं. And feeling seesawing within him is many vision he can see about the story to write. On the one hand, he had been arrested for no reason. यहाँ पर जेल भरा गया है कोई कारण नहीं. Unnecessarily he was sent to jail. On the other, he was sitting on the nicest bed. एक तरफ इतना अच्छा जेल में अच्छा सुविधा, घर भी अच्छा है. He had ever been on in his entire life. पूरे जीवन में जितना अच्छा घर नहीं सोया था ऐसे अच्छा बेड में सोया है जेल में. And getting free meals, फ्री में खाना भी मिल रहा है. स्कांडा ऐसे ही घुमक्कड़ था. A day they had been served ice cream after dinner. दोपहर का भोजन के बाद आइसक्रीम भी दे रहे हैं. After the dinner, yes, night meal, okay. There was a feeling of exultation. Exultation means rejoicing that so many people had read and enjoyed his story. उसमें और पूरा खुश है कि मेरी स्टोरी को बहुत लोग पढ़े हैं, वो इसका आनंद लिए, उसके लिए भी बहुत खुश है. But he had not realized that the story would cause him problems. कभी वो नहीं सोचा था कि स्टोरी जो लिखेगा he will face problem. What the problem? What if they send him to the mines? अगर उन लोग माइंस को भेजे. What if he was jailed for life? अगर पूरी जीवन भर जेल जाना भी पड़ सकता था. Yes, pass. Skanda looked out, ऊपर को देखा and saw a pale-faced young man signaling to him from the next cell. और जेल के और एक रूम से और एक ठो इंसान जो कि पेल फेस यंग है मतलब मुंह सुखा हुआ एक आदमी उसको बुला रहा है. सिग्नलिंग मीन्स कॉलिंग हिम. थिंकिंग ऑफ योर नेक्स्ट स्टोरी आस्क्ड द मैन. तुम्हारी दूसरी स्टोरी के बारे में मैं सोच रहा हूँ. उस जेल में और एक फ्रेंड था, उसका एक साथी, उसके साथ बातचीत हो रहा है जेल के एक रूम से दूसरे रूम में. ओके. स्कांडा shook his head and sighed. स्कांडा ने अपना सर हिलाया और बहुत टेक टू long breath and spoke. Okay, side means took a long breath. Wish I would never started writing. Yes, मैं बहुत ही आशा कर रहा हूँ कि अभी तक मैं लिखना शुरू नहीं किया हूँ. It got me arrested and they might keep me here forever. और जो कि मुझे लिखे हैं इतना शुरू भी नहीं किया था और मुझे जेल में भर दिए. I hope that I will be in this jail for whole my life. Okay, and I heard that there is all sorts of trouble happening outside because of me, or because I wrote the story in this blackboard and this wall. Whole city, the people have gathered and they are disturbed. Okay, many disturbances happening in this outside. Okay, in this metrodome. Okay, the man laughed. You know what I am in here for? क्या तुम्हें मालूम है हम मैं क्यों यहाँ पर हूँ? Story collector. I have been arrested for the unlawful manufacture of flutes. मैं नियम के बाहर में बांसुरी बनाया था, उसके लिए मुझे जेल हुआ है. But you don't even know what that was. और तुम जानते भी नहीं होंगे वो क्या था. स्कांडा सूखी झाड़े गए. स्कांडा ने सरिलाया बोला, It's something you make music with. कुछ इस बांसुरी से संगीत बनाते थे. There was not a sweeter sound in the whole world. इतना सुंदर मधुर संगीत पूरी दुनिया में नहीं है. ऐसा म्यूजिक बना देते हैं और इसी के लिए तुमको जेल है. The man shrugged. The man shrugged means अपना सर उठाया. Because it makes people stop and listen. क्योंकि ये लोगों को काम को रोक देता है और सुनते हैं. It disturbs their work. And you know what? As soon as they let me out, जैसे मुझे यहाँ से जेल से आज़ाद कर देंगे, I am going to make another one. और भी म्यूजिक बनाऊंगा. And I am going to play it until they arrest me again. तब तक मैं बजाऊंगा, तब तक मुझे जेल नहीं भेजे हैं. It is my job. And I have been here for 278 times. I have been sent to jail. Yes, times already I have been in here in jail. 278 बार तो जेल आ चुका हूँ मैं. Do you know? Wow, said Skanda. It seemed like a very noble reason to keep going to jail. Very noble reason that you make music and people stop and listen and they disturb and they send you to jail. Skanda knew. Okay? And as for you, story collector, कहानी को इकट्ठा करने वाले, संग्रह करने वाले, I am afraid that even if they do let you out, you will just keep on writing. अगर तुमको जैसे बाहर निकाल देते हैं तो स्टोरी और लिखना बंद नहीं करना. And keep coming back here. आप आ भी सकते हो जेल को, like me मेरे जैसे. That's just how we are. मैं तुम जैसे हो, मैं भी ऐसा हूँ. मैं जैसे जेल में आ रहा हूँ, तुम भी आओगे. As I come, you will also come. It will be going on, okay? So, like I said, who told this? The flute manufacturer. Are you thinking of your next story? क्या दूसरी स्टोरी बारे में सोच रहे हो क्या लिखोगे? Skanda felt a great lump of sadness. Lump of sadness means a small quantity of sadness or piece of sadness. Rise in his throat के गले में बहुत सी दर्द आ रहा है. I haven't got any more stories क्योंकि imagination सोचने का शक्ति और नहीं है. Skanda told, I am not good. I am not getting any more stories. And now they have locked me up और मैं जेल में हूँ तो स्टोरी कहाँ से आएगा? जेल के अंदर स्टोरी कहाँ से लिख पाऊँगा? क्योंकि those who write the story they visit here and there and they go different places to collect story. Yes, and I will never be able to find another one. मुझे तो और स्टोरी नहीं मिलेगा. Yes, he said mournfully means sorrowfully that I will not get any more stories. The man snapped his fingers. What means snapped his fingers means just like break into two his fingers. Good God, here you are, sitting with the only flute maker in all the Metrodome. Yes, good God, हियर यू आर, तुम यहाँ पर हो, सिटिंग विद ओनली फ्लूट मेकर के साथ तुम बैठे हो, इन ऑल ऑफ मेट्रोडम हु जस्ट टोल्ड यू all about his 279 trip to jail. Yes, who told you all about his 279th trip to jail, and you say you have nothing to write about. Who told this? And musician told. Once I am reading. And good God, here you are. तुम यहाँ पर हो, sitting with the only flute maker in all the metrodome के जो है वहाँ पर तुम बैठे हो, और हु जस्ट टोल्ड यू, अभी बोले हैं क्या, ऑल अबाउट हिज 279th ट्रिप, 279 तक। अभी कितना पहुँचे गए हैं, पहले 774 8 गए थे, अभी जो गए हैं 279 बाद जेल गए हैं। एंड यू से यू हैव नथिंग टू राइट अबाउट, एंड यू से कि स्टोरी लिखने नहीं आता है, you write story about me. Yeah, that means you write story about me. And Skanda realized that he had just collected his next story. Now Skanda got a new plot, a new theme for the story. After lunch, Skanda was released. दोपहर के खाना के बाद जेल से स्कांडा को आजाद कर दिया गया। नेक्स्ट दूसरे दिन ही, एंड ड्राइवन अंडर द पुलिस एस्कॉर्ट्स, पुलिस ने उनको पूरा ही केयर के साथ ले गए टू द टनल्स, वैसी जगह में जहाँ पर कि जो पहले स्टोरी लिखता था। एंड ही वाज आस्क्ड टू कंटिन्यू स्टोरी, और पुलिस का ऑर्डर था कि तुमको स्टोरी लिखने का इजाज़त है। यस, एवरीवन वेंट बैक टू वर्क, पूरा हर कोई जो यहाँ पर स्ट्राइक किए थे कि जब तक स्कांडा नहीं आएगा और स्टोरी लिखेगा हम काम करना बंद कर देंगे, कि उनको आज़ाद कर दिया गया कि एवरीवन विल गो टू देयर जॉब टू डू वर्क, and when they get free time they'll come to read the story. After being assured that the next installment of the story will be ready, और उसके बाद assured किया गया कि sure that the Skanda will write the story. What next installment means next collection of the story. Okay, story would be ready and waiting for the walls when the day was over. दिन खत्म होने के बाद, रात होने से बाद, you will get a new installment, a new episode, a new type of story. Who told? His friends told by the office. Okay. Skanda's story was declared an official. क्या official means सरकारी, in formal, that is some authenticate. Okay. Metrodome monuments with reading tours conducted twice a day. रीडिंग टूर्स कंडक्टेड ट्वाइस ए डे, रीडिंग टूर्स में 2 दिन इसको आगे पढ़ सकते हैं, 2 दिन। ओके, इट वुड टेक 5 years, ये 5 साल लगेगा, बट इवेंचुअली द नॉट नीडेड डिपार्टमेंट वाज डिक्लेयर्ड नॉल एंड बट इवेंचुअली नॉट नीडेड डिपार्टमेंट, जिसका जरूरत नहीं है, नीडेड नॉट नीडेड डिपार्टमेंट, द डिपार्टमेंट विच नो मोर नीड वाज डिक्लेयर्ड नॉन एंड वॉइड मीन्स विदाउट लीगल, वो बिना कानून के हैं। एंड फ्लूट्स, बुक्स, पेंटिंग्स एंड बबल गम्स एमंग मेनी अदर थिंग्स वर मेड लीगल। एक समय था कि किताब पढ़ना, पेंटिंग या बांसुरी बाजा, ये सब जो इलीगल माना जाता था। एवरीथिंग became legal, as once upon a time it was non-legal. Non-needed department was declared null and void means without legal. जो एक समय था legal के कानून के बाहर था, उसको सरकारी मान्यता प्राप्त मिल गया। It ordered that you can play, you can paint, you can write. As it turned out, yes, और जैसे ही कि ऐसे मुड़ा समय आया, Skanda had many more stories to tell. Skanda ने बहुत स्टोरी लिखा इसको सुके। Some were whispered to him by the echoes in the tunnels. Tunnel का echo मतलब उसके जो sound से, echo से Skanda can get the information of story. Others were ones he heard from people chatting on the bus. कभी-कभी लोग बस में जो बातचीत करते हैं उसी से स्टोरी बन गया। and arguing in a रेस्टोरेंट में जो दो आपस में क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे थे, आर्गुमेंट जो झगड़ा होता था, उसी से भी कुछ पॉइंट मिल गया स्टोरी लिखने के लिए. सो स्कांडा गॉट न्यू प्लॉट, न्यू पॉइंट्स फॉर राइटिंग स्टोरी. ओके, स्टिल अदर्स वर फाउंड हिडन इन द मोस्ट अनलाइकली प्लेस. ऐसे स्टोरी जो कि छिपा हुआ, यस, जहाँ की नहीं छिपा सकते हैं, ऐसे स्टोरी मिल गया. और स्ट्रीट कॉर्नर में भी कोई छिपा है, उसी से भी स्टोरी मिल गया. इन द नाइबरहुड ग्रोसरी स्टोर, कोई पड़ोस का जो दुकान में जो स्टोर है. इन द साउंड ऑफ पेल यंग मैन प्लेइंग हिज फ्लूट, और एक जो जवान है जो अपना फ्लूट बजा रहा था, जो जेल में था, उसी से भी स्टोरी बन गया. सो ही गॉट न्यू पॉइंट, न्यू इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पर्सन टू कलेक्ट द स्टोरीज. इट्स ओके. ईच स्टोरी सीम्स टू बी वेटिंग फॉर स्कांडा. कैसा भी स्टोरी स्कांडा लिख रहा है, लोग इंतजार में है पढ़ने के लिए. लाइक ए फिस्टफुल ऑफ स्पार्कलिंग जैम्स, मतलब एक मुट्ठी भर. फिस्टफुल मीन्स जस्ट लाइक दिस मच. स्पार्कलिंग का मतलब चमकता हुआ जो कीमती पत्थर है. हिडन इन द लॉन्ग ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी कोल, कोयले की खदान में, जो कि साधारण कोयले के अंदर जो कीमती लाखों करोड़ों का जो पत्थर छिपा हुआ रहता है. Yes, costly gems which are hidden in this ordinary coal. Likewise, in the skanda, there are very costly, very quality stories in this many useless fellows or human beings. Okay. Yes, my dear students, at the conclusion of this chapter, I am coming to the end. So Skanda got a chance to write stories. At the last line ending, and Skanda always found them. What found them? All the collection of stories. He got different information of the stories. After all, he was the story collector. At the end of the story, we can say that Skanda was a story collector. In this lesson, maybe a lengthy one, you have to read more. And whatever I have explained the lesson, you have to meditate and listen well. And I think the lesson is something large and lengthy. And you have patience to listen and read for the story from beginning to end. Then if you have patience, you can gain. And I hope you read this lesson again. And I hope that you will get very good in your subject. Hope you to see you once again in the next video. Till that, have a good day and goodbye.